Hey everybody, it's Lon Seidman. It's time for another unboxing. We just got this device in from 8Bitdo. This is their Sn30 Pro Plus Bluetooth gamepad. It works with Windows, Android, Mac OS, and Steam, along with the Nintendo Switch. And the big deal with this controller, besides the little side wings here, is that this will also be programmable. So if you don't like the order of buttons, you can change them through a PC application, and that will also translate over to the Switch, which is very cool to have that in a third-party controller here. So you can reassign buttons and do whatever you want there. So let's take a look here at the software that we have to download, and you can see all the different things that you can configure. Pretty cool. And here is the controller itself. They've got a nice little plastic piece around it here. And there it is. It's got a nice weight to it, actually. It feels pretty nice. And I got some plastic here to peel off. Oh man, this feels really nice. So what's nice is that they've been making improvements in every iteration, and this one feels the nicest of all of them I've looked at so far. The D-pad here feels pretty good too. It has a little bit more of a shallow movement, so that it doesn't feel as as deep as the other one did, but it does seem like you can go back and forth pretty quickly here. So we'll test to make sure those diagonals are working, as we've always been doing with these controllers. The buttons here have two that are tapered and two that are not. So it's following, I believe, the US style. You got clickable thumbsticks here, analog triggers and buttons, and you've got USB-C right there. And let's open this thing up. And it's got a built-in rechargeable battery pack, but I wonder, can you take it out? I think you can. So that's kind of a neat take on this. There you go. So you can actually use, it looks like double A's in here if you want, or you can use their rechargeable battery. There you go. Pretty cool. All right, so we'll have to get this in the right way. Yep, there we go. There we go. But I'll get that figured out in a second. So that's the controller. And then you've got your USB-C to USB-A charging and data cable. If you plug these in directly, you can use them on your PC. And then you've got the instruction manual here as well. So stay tuned. We're going to have a full review of this one coming up. So we'll look at that software and how you can configure everything and all the other good stuff. If there's anything you want to see in that review, do let me know in the comments below. A lot more to come on this, so stay tuned at lon.tv.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold-level supporters, the 4 Guys with Quarters podcast, emudev.org, Tom Albrecht, Brian Parker, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.